Set a timer for 1 hour.
Oh my, what? My icon didn't change.
That was fast. Are we 5-pointing or 5-manning?
5 manning.
Through mid?
No, through bot.
Yes. Actually,
Mid?
we can go. Okay. Bot.
Hold my skill point.
Seconds until minions spawn.
Into the thick of it.
Nice.
Okay.
Let's put a word down, right?
I got it.
Okay.
I'm gonna go word here.
Go for it.
Is there
Actually,
my-
Hmm.
Should I wait for you?
Minions have spawned.
Hold on. Let's walk in together.
Oh shit, I'm lagging.
Do we need
Wait.
to pause?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, can you word right here?
No.
Are we pausing?
Yep.
Alright. I'm gonna reset my router.
Oh, I'm late to land. Oops. That really sucks considering I need to get prio.
Are you still here?
I was trying to set up like the right ward location. Did I even get it? Fuck.
No, no. But I mean, there's no point because I'm taking my whole top side.
Are you gonna like possibly look for a gank after, or are you going like straight bot?
I'm going straight bot. No, I'll get my full clear out the way so I don't get cheesed again.
I guess.
They get in level 2 top, so I'd be careful.
A summoner has disconnected.
If he doesn't gank top, then he should through camp bot and then be there like what 240-ish?
Mm-hmm. Also, I feel like it's really good for me at gank bot right now because she hasn't flash.
Yeah. We should go ham on that.
Wait, do you have Hex Flash? I can't tell. Wait, he's not here. Fuck. It doesn't show the icon, but he does have inspiration, so.
No, he doesn't have X splash. He went stopwatch.
Oh yeah, he wants to stop. Okay. We probably don't win 2v2, so we want to avoid him, but. It depends on who has prio.
Not you.
Man, I don't know.
A summoner has reconnected.
It's hard to know, cause like she has RQ, but I have my passive and my Q. And I can hit
Mhm.
my whole wave with the key, the whole wave with the key, but she can only hit 3. Unless there's like a cannon.
Big facts. I miss them already.
But I can see us winning if we like one-shot Karma.
2v2, yeah.
We don't do a lot of burst damage, so I feel like if she builds tank, it might be better.
All right. Are you in the game,
I
Pam?
think
No.
No.
I think we can one-shot Karma if I land everything and then Poppy lands a stun, but
Okay, yeah,
it's
alright,
gonna
now
be
I got
very
30
situational.
Okay, ready?
Mhm.
Awesome. Good.
Yeah, I was having 70 ping.
Yeah.
Awful.
He's starting to stop again.
Did it?
Careful for level 2 mid through here. And also have to be careful, he can
Hard
actually
pushing
invade
now.
me.
Yeah, I think I fucked up my ward. It sucks.
Fine, not enough him yet. Okay, so just careful bot lane.
Okay.
I'm doing my wolves right now.
He went D shield? What is this guy doing?
Isn't that standard?
No, you
No.
always go corrupting.
Oh.
Okay. Gonna go on Raptors, red, I'm gonna look bot.
Yep.
Zen could be looking bot after, he should be done with blue soon, so he's gonna go Gromp into maybe bot side. So if we avoid that gank, I think we have good tempo for what we wanna do.
Our wave clear is actually pretty even.
That's good. Wishing my red out.
The way
Oh, you guys see it, right? You guys see it, right? You guys see it?
Yeah, we see it.
Just walking down.
Hmm.
That's fine. That's good for
Keep
me.
flashing me.
I go for Scuttle here.
Yep.
Oh.
No flash on set.
Keep the prio mid.
They're playing back.
You can double scut, right?
If we both walk right now.
Oh, Sec got the kills.
He has no
I'm down.
flash. He has no flash. Play aggressive. Good. Perfect. Good job. Really fucking good. Fucking crazy motherfucker again.
I forced his TP.
Okay. 9 minutes.
What happened, Ravi?
I got Eid. I was trying to buffer, but my buffer didn't work.
Yo, his bot side camps are still up. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna have prio
That's fine.
next bit.
We're just chilling right now. We got what we needed.
Just take it. Just take it.
Careful mid.
Oh, were you putting a bomb on that?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's fine.
Okay, send us flash in 8 minutes. He might be walking over here.
Might be trolling.
Are you fine?
Oh yeah, she's still mid. I'm fine.
Okay.
Wow, I actually just trolled insanely hard.
It's all good.
looking mid. I'm looking
wait.
mid.
I
He
can-
has no mana.
Which, okay.
I have biscuits, so
What the hell am I doing, dude? This guy is.
We
so
can look
bad.
for like a dragon or something.
I have 1.7k. I mean,
Yeah.
Russian shot.
Okay.
actually, yeah, we can just
We
freeze
can. We
top.
can. We can.
okay, I'm pushing this as hard as I can. He's not.
I have no
into
smite for
ganks.
25.
That's
Go
fine.
play top lane.
Combos.
Nice.
Really well played, dude.
Holy 2v1
That's awesome.
noobs.
That's a plat one fucking god.
I'm just gonna TP back.
Okay. I'm gonna so yeah, these are gonna be up. Actually a little bit of camps are up, so I can't really determine where it's gonna be at. Just be
Oh,
careful.
I missed it.
You don't need.
I'm gonna
fire
take, I'm
from
gonna
the
take my
right.
bot side and recall. I have way too much gold.
Okay.
I'm not gonna TP back then.
No, don't TP. You can just walk back on that wave.
Mm-hmm.
Just keep prio, like maybe like start hovering bot lane, because we don't see Zen yet.
I'm probably just gonna start perma shoving.
Go for it. Just a ward. Just like actually don't perma shove if you don't have a ward.
Yeah, I mean just like shove wave, get out, hover bot, and then like
Okay.
cheat.
Yo, he's topside right now. He hasn't shown on Grump yet. I get this for free as a recall. Okay, he's here. Nollis, you wanna come?
Oh,
Yeah,
It's not
I can
worth it.
come. Karma just R'd, so she won't have that for the next 20-ish seconds.
We're coming.
Careful of
R.
Malphite mid.
He has no flash.
Nice.
Nice, nice.
Okay,
Back up, back up.
Malphite could
They're
be
both
walking,
karma.
like all the way there.
J-
Yeah, Malphite's coming.
Can we turn on Karma? I can't
Okay.
get out.
Yeah, Malphite's walking all the way there.
Okay, I can't.
Oh, nice, right?
I think this is.
Just stall, it's fine.
There's Malphite. He has ult.
Mm-hmm.
He has no flash though.
I tried.
And see.
I think we have to turn on Karma there because me and Poppy can't get out if we don't kill Karma.
Yeah, there's no way she kills all four of us.
Mhm.
Yeah, I mean, like me and Pan were looking at like Jinx.
Why? I
Because,
said to back off.
and because we're stupid.
Well, no, you're not.
Yes, we are.
What?
Well, I mean, just kidding.
Well,
That
doing
was a
one
bad
bad,
decision. That was a
yeah,
bad
doing
decision.
one bad play doesn't make you stupid. Just listen to the call, though.
Mm.
Yeah, I think it's still okay though because we get Chief really ahead.
I did lose my shutdown though, which is kind of bad.
It's got 4 plays. top.
Karma's missing. I don't have ults for 2 minutes.
Yeah.
TP.
Oh, for 2 minutes. 6 Dragon would be good on us, especially if we deny it from them. I have no idea where Zen's at. I want to say top side.
Okay, she just reset. She has a lot of gold on me. I don't think we ever kill Karma
Okay,
unless she
that's
like
fine.
really fucks up.
I don't have sync.
Careful of Malphite. Be careful mid.
Okay.
I'm walking bot. I'm going through river.
Yeah, Malphite's
Okay.
still missed.
This might be
You
warded.
get the schedule.
He might be doing Herald or
Oh.
something.
Yeah. We don't have like Galiotes is a problem.
I can still TP, but yeah, it won't be as.
Okay, we pushed in. We're going for like a deep ward now.
Ooh. Okay, I like the single. I like the single.
Malphite's still missing. Be careful.
Change out top.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you serious? My bad.
It's okay. I think it's just like impossible to kill.
Wait,
it
is he
with
on there?
Galiotes.
Yes.
No, I
he's
just
on
missed the angle. If I had the angle right.
Okay.
Yo.
Karma's rotating.
Karma's coming. She has.
I'm here.
no
I'm
R.
coming.
Change out flash.
I don't
Set
really
is
have
here.
anything to follow up for now.
Okay, is there no flash?
We could look, maybe. Oh no, he's walking down. Okay. I'm gonna
I wanna
try
do
to
Herald.
fighting.
Actually, no Herald. We go Dragon next.
Malphite's rotating. mid.
Malphite's over here. Yeah, push top. We get first serve. You guys just stall. Don't overcommit.
Yeah, we're not going for it.
It's going back.
Malphite's right here. Mid.
Don't have stacks, by the way.
You can ward this, right?
I'm gonna hard
I
push
don't
this.
think so. Jason is Shirelia's now, so we can look. Nice.
Change out spot.
Zinzo's bot.
Oh my god.
Nah,
Yo, bot lane.
I
Look.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Shirelia's is back up? Really? There's no way she gets out. Right?
Okay, he's out. She's out. They're doing dragon. They're doing dragon.
Okay. Do we have top lane TP?
No.
I'm getting this, whatever.
How long?
Can we?
I
They don't
have
have
no
mid.
ulti.
They don't have mid. They
I
don't
need
have
help.
mid. They don't
I
have
have no R
mid.
as well.
You have R. You have R.
Or I don't have mana.
No flash, no flash. This guy no flash. Nice.
All right.
I have no smite.
Fine.
Can we just reset? I'd rather just reset. And we play. Yo, get the ward over here. Over here.
Yeah,
Uh,
nothing.
Okay. We should just reset because we want Wukong TP. Malphite has no TP, right?
I think it's up actually.
Okay. I mean, we should still win though. We're like really ahead. We just have to kill Jinx and Zen.
I'm gonna get Source because I'm so AP.
Yeah, that's fine. You can just go full AP. There's no problem with that. Let's get real bot lane. Zen's missing.
Karma has
Karma's
a room
walking.
They're
I'm
coming
coming
bot.
down. Yeah.
I'm ready to TP. I'll be looking.
Okay. Keep shoving mid.
Okay. I hit
Zen's
wave
top.
first,
Let's just
so,
do this.
I've got a
Yeah,
reset.
I'm going good. Yeah, we're doing it.
Zen's top.
Malphite could be like right here. Be careful, Galio.
All right, bot lane's resetting. I'm starting.
Yeah, I can one shot back wave now, so should be able to like do all out. I'm out.
Block the Jinx ulti.
Yeah, I'm walking.
This blue's up. It's gonna be bot side soon.
Can we do Rift?
We should rotate. They're probably on it. Maybe.
I'm gonna push out one more wave bot and then back.
They were doing that.
Oh fuck. Okay.
Little chunks. I can.
Careful, Ravi.
Good flash.
That flash?
Yeah, set flashed.
I'm going Gromp. I'm looking top for a counter gank. Careful mid lane.
Yep.
Zen was over here, by the way.
Going out.
His blue is up.
I'm looking for honey for it.
Okay. Okay, Zen's gonna be bot side.
Karma resetting.
That's warded. Now Divine Thunder in 700.
Okay, I have TP advantage on Karma.
Be careful, mid.
That's going mid.
That's going mid. I'm gonna push out bot and then we're gonna look for a deep ward.
Go for it. Hmm.
I'm reset.
After the Scuttle wears off, I kinda wanna look for,
Set
Yeah.
is here. Jungle's here. Jungle's here.
careful.
I have TP to respond.
Yeah.
Malphite has
Nice.
TP opening.
Maybe he stays to break this freeze.
I think jungle's.
Okay.
They're
Wait
playing
for Herald.
aggressive. Yep.
Actually,
Go
has to
for
clear this
it.
vision.
He's in his top
Nice
side.
top.
Okay.
Okay, never mind.
We'll push out one more wave and then look for a deep ward.
Okay.
Wow.
Divine
Wait.
Thunder in 400.
I can look. I'm hovering bot right now for R if anything happens.
No.
Okay.
There's two top. Zen's top. They're taking Herald.
Yeah. I'm just going. Then we can just look to invade. No.
Oh, we could dive too.
I think we can dive. Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
we can
gonna
dive.
from- wow.
I'm
This
gonna
we need to
push it.
stop Malphite from TPing. I think it's really good.
Actually wasted my aftershock, but I should be able to still
Dive.
do a lot.
Careful top.
Okay, they back bot lane.
Yeah, that's
Fine.
We
perfect.
get this for free.
Mhm.
Top
Careful
play
top.
safe. Yeah.
Herald's gone right now.
I have no Q. Fuck.
Malphite could be coming right here.
Alright, I'm gonna
Alright.
stop. I'm literally just gonna stop. Careful bot, I'm chunked.
Yeah, just play.
That's actually on me. I used my Q right before I went in, so we couldn't
Oh.
kill her.
I just used my ulti to back her up.
Yeah. Yeah, we had a tower. I just
We got dragon in 1 minute.
Yeah, I'm gonna push out this wave and then back.
I'm backing, by the way.
Yeah, just go.
Sets river. I'm just gonna reset.
Okay, I have divine. I mean, dead man's next, actually.
Just go
Two
this
levels
way.
on this dude.
Bot lane can go here. We should just pressure this while there's 2 bot side.
Okay. Mid is missing. We don't see Xin Zhao yet.
Zinzao was just here, so.
Isn't that a splash now, by the way?
Yeah.
Look.
Have R?
Top trist, top trist. Karma's not here yet. I'm backing off. We should stop, we should stop.
Yeah.
I need
I'm
help.
gonna try to help.
You're 2 split. I'm trying to come. That's alright, that's way too far in.
Let's just shoot
Yeah,
dragon.
we just get tower and
Yeah.
then we can dragon.
That like ulted me like towards their tower, so I didn't mean to
Yeah.
go that far.
Good job.
Okay,
Buddy?
Jinx no flash.
Alright, you don't need me.
I balked it. An accident. Jinx is probably going mid.
Okay.
That's going top.
Do we have time to take this herald after like a recall?
No.
No.
Okay.
I don't. Yeah, I don't think we get there in time.
That's fine. No, we can just wait for next drag then. So Soul's kind of useless. Actually, I feel like we could just do it fast now.
Actually,
no, whatever. It would take too many resources. Just get mid. Not worth it.
yeah. What are we
I
playing?
want like have like lose waves.
Which side are we looking to ward up?
Like I want to look just like for baits.
Careful Malphite. Malphite's like right here.
Yeah. I'm clearing my whole top side. Careful how you're fighting right now. They might be
Karma is
looking.
interesting. Karma can be somewhere here.
You just wait for Galio and like just like look for picks like off of that like force fights opposite sides.
I'm freezing top here.
Okay. Yeah, just like don't get caught.
I want a pink river here.
Malphite's mid.
We don't play aggressive right now. It's fine. By the way.
Yeah, we're just like I'm just clearing waves right now. Malphite's going top now, I think.
We should just be looking to force plays off of like their bot lane or Jinx. She has no flash. Honestly, I can wrap around. I can deep wrap around. That's actually
I'll
fine.
just do that.
They know.
15 seconds.
Did he flash?
Oh,
No.
Zinzau's or somebody we just showed here. Can we go?
Malphite, watch out.
Yes.
I don't have
Malphite,
TP, I
Malphite,
don't have
Malphite.
TP. It's a 45. I don't have TP.
Run down here. Run down here. Wait, this guy's dead.
Okay, I'm dead.
I mean, I don't know why we were fighting like that. Like, we don't have our top laner, we don't have anything, and we're like just looking for chokes.
I think I agree, except if we just like all immediately go on Zinzao Karma, we can just kill them and win anyways.
Yeah, we went to fight that because we were getting choked.
Yeah, but
But
like
that-
even before that, I think.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think we even go onto the set after they saw us, to be honest.
I'm going there with fun because they're so split, but I think would have been 4 versus 2 if we just went on Karma and Zen, and then Zen just dies.
Yeah, I mean, like I was blocked off by their Malphite, and I didn't have jump, so I couldn't really join.
It's okay. We just move on.
Mm-hmm.
Surprised if Karma didn't go AP. Just getting really fed.
I'm on that Malphite.
By the way, this is still warded.
Drags up in 140, 130.
Okay.
I have a pink.
I need to clear like 2 more waves to get my Zanya, so I'm just gonna eat this real quick. Sorry.
Okay, now go bot and clear that real quick. We have 120.
Careful with that wave. I think if you just like hard crash like in like the next 20 seconds, I think that should be enough time to stall for drag.
Or mid.
Okay, they're all mid.
I can get top here if you want.
Yeah, yeah. There's
fine.
48 seconds. You have TP.
Careful bot. Careful bot.
Yeah, bot back, bot back. Back off right now. I'm gonna look to push out mid.
It Zen's right here.
Do we just give this dragon?
Nautilus is there too. Or not Nautilus.
Careful.
Watch out.
You guys are getting flanked. Just keep running up. Keep running up.
I have R.
Keep pushing top.
Yeah, keep pushing top.
I think they're rotating top.
Yeah,
Just
we rotate
Yeah.
down.
Woo
try to
back.
get out.
Yeah. Okay,
Right
no,
back
no, no.
down.
No, no, no. Just stay
This
now.
is good. They're stuck between 2 options.
Yeah. I'm not gonna face
You
check.
see me. This is not a good angle for me. Do we not want this?
Yeah, yeah.
No? Okay.
Yeah,
I think we just stall them. We just stall them. We don't like. We can give this dragon. It's
Okay,
We have
sure.
to be able to tether Malphite R though.
If we can get like an in
Just
hand.
If we
just-
bait him. Okay.
Don't get engaged on that.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, we forget that. We forget that Australias can just force a fight pretty easily. Not really CC chain there.
Oh, no, I'm personally confused. We said we weren't gonna fight, but we're still in position to get caught out.
I think we were just trying to like stop their
Stop.
backs, right?
Yeah.
And,
Why?
Like, stall
That's
for-
gonna force a fight, and that's what we didn't want.
Oh no, for Wukong.
We just like misinterpreted like their or didn't properly assess like their ability to engage on us with like Shurelia's.
Do we know if
I think-
Malphite have flash or not?
No, I guess not.
So this onto here is very easy to close.
That's true.
Yeah, I mean, like we're just losing because we're just indecisive, just insanely indecisive.
No, we made the call, but we're just not following through. Like that's like the problems that we're having 2 times already.
So I think yeah, it's just unnecessary to keep going to like greed and try to cancel the recalls.
Because like our calls are fine, but we're not like doing things like correlate. Like the actions don't correlate with like what we want to do.
Mm-hmm. Like we need divers to jinx like in the fights.
Yeah, but we don't want to fight there.
Yeah, we don't.
No, because if we're gonna fight, let's
Yeah,
just
we
fight for
have-
dragon then. Like why we give dragon if we're gonna fight?
I think right now we just want to try to clear
mid.
waves and minimize this Baron. I don't know, it's a little hard
Oh
though.
no. I might be screwed.
I can try and help you.
That's greedy from her, no? She should
I
that's
gotta
fine.
get out of here. She just destroyed me.
No, someone needs to go top.
I'm going. I
Shit,
got it.
okay. get mid tower. Don't let him engage on you.
They might go top through here.
I can
They are
TP.
going top. They are going top.
We just give it.
Yep.
I'm not gonna TP.
Your turret has been destroyed.
I'm gonna try to fix bot wave real quick.
Can we catch this? If Set's here.
They're TPing mid. Watch out. I'm gonna try to get a reset.
Careful here. You need to watch out Malphite. We have to give, have to give, have to give, have to
Yeah,
give.
yeah.
Okay, can't do much else right now. Jinx just reset. If we can force a fight here and kill Karma, that'd be really good.
If we just need to
I
kill Jinx.
Now we're killing her.
Yeah, we need to kill Jinx and like put every resource like Wukong, Galio, just go on to the Jinx.
Okay, we wanna set up for this now, right?
Yeah. I'm just gonna back here.
I think we need to start setting up now.
Yeah.
I'm going. Coming.
If Jinx dies, like it's pretty easy for us to win the team fight afterwards.
They're late. Can we look here?
Sauce.
Malphite no ulti.
Oh fuck. I wasted my
Malphite.
W.
Oh, she said. Careful, play slow. They
Just
can kite you really well. No flash. Oh, she said. What the fuck? Nice.
What is that?
I end.
You can try.
I'm going to.
You're now Zen,
get
you're now
into that
Zenzo. You're now Zenzo.
I'm going to. Oh, you can't. We can't. We can't.
Just get mid.
I think you have to
Yeah.
back and then maybe TP.
Nothing else to items.
Wait, we're not going dragon?
Turret has been
Wait, why aren't we?
No,
doing
we
it?
can do it after. Just get mid.
Okay, okay. Like
Alright, let's
right,
go.
right
Yeah,
now,
yeah,
Just
yeah,
get
right?
yeah.
the, just get the turret, yeah.
Okay.
I was in
Really
35.
Really hope they don't just TP in.
They. We gotta get out.
But
here.
yeah, go through
They
bot.
have
Go through bot.
resets.
Just go. Just go. Run. They're pushing mid.
Okay, they're not following anymore. I'll collect this wave and then.
Monka.
They're 5-manning mid.
I have 2,700 gold. I need it back.
I am a little bit far.
No one doing, no one doing. I'm not like, ignore that.
Yeah. We're just clearing waves so they can't
I have
do
no
anything.
ulti now.
Yeah, we're just
My
looking
bad.
to clear. We're not looking to
I
fight.
have ults 25.
Yeah, we can just chill for now.
We
I
are
got
pretty
50
strong.
seconds on my ulti.
I don't have my ulti right now, so I can't like turn the fight in our favor.
No,
If they,
Nautilus
if they
ulti.
overcommit,
We're not looking for a fight right now. Be careful.
yeah, don't walk into topside jungle.
We're gonna have to
Yeah,
look
they're gonna
for
go
Baron
Yeah,
vision.
they're gonna.
Okay. We walk through mid then.
Yeah, let's go.
Do you get a ward like over here?
I'm gonna play bot side. Be careful. They can also like potentially just start.
I think they're doing.
Yeah, they're
it.
starting.
I still got 20 seconds on my ulti.
I can't move.
Let's peel for Trist, peel for Trist.
I think we gotta dip. Just dip.
Sun for so long.
Oh my
Oh.
god, are you serious, bro? Fucking clicked onto the wall. Who did Zen jump on?
I got
I
literally
think
destroyed.
it was me. I don't know. I got.
Because we should also just like stay like over here. We shouldn't like walk up over here.
I got Zen ulted, Malphite ulted, Set ulted. That was rough.
Just give tower, I think.
Mm-hmm.
If they kill you, they end, so.
We're all up, they can't, and give me this. Okay, Zen is right here. Let me get this red.
There's 3 bot side.
4 bot side. I have TP to respond.
And be careful, bot. If you have to give, just give.
I think I can try to go for this inhibitor.
Do you have TP?
They have
Yeah,
Baron,
yeah, I
but
have
they're gonna
TP.
recall too fast.
Okay, I'm just gonna take
I don't have W.
flash. Thing is, like, I can't channel a long W like ever.
You hit those?
Karma's not here.
She has
TP though.
Look then. Jinx is taunted. Low. No flash, no heal.
That's low.
Oh, really low, but so are we.
Oh, that healing.
Like Karma just makes it impossible to kill Jinx.
Double kill.
I got Jinx to like 3rd HP, but
We are also just getting perma CC'd and we can't get near. Her chopper screwed me.